In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add credit card or debit card on Temu. Now, Temu shopping app is an app for you to order a lot of interesting stuff. You can see them and they are for the prices. So let's say you've seen something you want to order and you want to add your credit or debit card, but you're not sure where to go to. It's very simple. At the bottom here, you see some options. You have home, categories, view, and card. Tap on you, and then you can see some other options here. Not here, you don't need here. What you need to do is tap on settings at the top right corner, and then you tap on your payment methods, and you can see the option for add a credit or debit card. Then you tap on it. Here you put in your card number. You can see the cards accepted: Visa, MasterCard, and the others over here up here. So if your card is any of these, it's very simple. You can either scan the card here, tap on scan card, or you add the card number, add the expiration date, the CVV 3 to 4 digits. Then don't forget to add your billing address, and don't worry, Temu follows the payment card industry data security standard when handling card details. So your card information is secure and uncompromised. Although data is encrypted, and Temu will never sell your card information. So once you're through all this, just simply tap on add your card. It is as simple as that.